Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 12 using SolidWorks surfaces. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. Now we have the empty workspace open. Let's go to the sketch, click on the sketch, and start doing the sketch maybe from this particular face here. So we'll do a complete rectangle, and then finally we'll do another geometry and do a trim here. So it's pretty easy. Let's just go ahead and create a sketch. I'll use this point and this line here and go for midpoint. Click on tick mark and smart dimension this 50 and this as 32. Now we have that dimensioned. Now exit the sketch. Now you can go for, as you see, this is 40 and this is 80. So what I would do is go for the surfaces, extrude surface, and I would go with 40 on both sides, 40 here and 40 on this side as well. Tick mark. Alright, now what I would do next will be just take the sketch of this and use fill surface and fill it, and then select the surface and go for offset surface and offset it with 40 here, and select the surface once again, go for offset surface, and on the other side offset it with 40, and finally select the surface here and go for hide. Select the surface and go for hide surface. Okay, I think it's already hidden. Let's just try to see that. I'll hide this and select this and go for hide. Yeah, it's hidden. And let me just bring this back and hide. Alright, now what we would do next will be select the surface here, or else we'll just go for features, reference surface, plane, and select this plane and give an offset of 40. Tick mark. Select that plane, go for the sketch, and now you can simply draw another line that connects here, another line, and close this. Right now what I would do again will be select this origin and this line here and go from midpoint, click on tick mark. Alright, now let's go for the smart dimension. From this to this point, this is 16. As you can see, these two points are moving symmetrically because I've given a midpoint over there. Now this to this distance, this is 10, this is 10, so this is 50, so this will be 30 here. So just give 30 here, and that should be getting fully constrained. Oops, I just wanted to give 30 here. Changing this value would result in invalid geometry. Previous sketch has been restored. So that's kind of strange. So alright, what I would do is use this point and this point. Okay, so I'd use a center line, draw a center line here, make that line vertical, and now this point to this line I can give a coincidence, tick mark. Now it seems like it's fully constrained, but I cannot really tell why is it constrained. So I'll just delete this and delete this, and delete this and this. Okay, now let me just go ahead and give 30 here. Okay, so when we face this kind of problem, what best that you can do will be to just delete whatever you have and just start fresh. So you start here, and first you give that dimension there that was troubling you. It's 30 here. Alright, now select this point and this line and give midpoint. Right, now again select this point and this origin and give coincidence, tick mark, and simply give this distance as 16. So it was better than going back and fixing whatever was going wrong. Maybe it could be a software issue as well. So let's just go ahead to surfaces and go for extrude surface, and that would be another 40 here. That's 40. So just reverse direction, click on tick mark, and you have that there. Right, now you just select this surface as a tool and go for trim surface and select this and this surface as an element to be removed. Right, now that's removed. Now select this surface as a tool, go for trim surface and select this element as a surface to be removed. Now we have that there. Right, now go for fill surface and select this edge here and this edge and this edge. Now that surface is filled there. Right, now we have almost whatever we wanted. Now go back, go to features, go for plane and select again the front plane, and this time go for reverse direction, up, flip, offset at 40. Right, now we need a plane to do the sketch. Right, that's what I did. Now I'll just I just created a sketch right now. Okay, and you can go for smart dimension and again dimension it as 25, and this would be 57 minus 32. That is 57 minus 32. It's 25, right? It's 25. Now this distance, oops, from here to here, oops, go for smart dimension, from here to here, it's 15. Now we have the sketch fully constrained. Go for exit sketch, and now you can go for surfaces and go for extrude, and you can give 25 as extrude, here 25 as extrude, go for tick mark, and we have that created there. Right, finally what I would do is I'll select, what I would do is the final surface is there. Right, select that surface as a tool and just select the surface. Select the surface as a tool and go for trim surface and select okay, so what's the alternate way? You can give fill surface and select these edges. You can firstly hide extrude 1, and now you can select the fill surface and select all of these edges here, go for tick mark, and again do the same thing here as well. Tick mark. Okay, now extrude 1 should be unhidden here. Now what I would do is, this surface is fill 3, right? This is extrude, so I would select the fill 3 and this, no, just this, and I would try to remove, or else in simple way, if I have to remove that, what I would do is I'll just select all of these, or else yeah, we'll just draw a sketch here. That would be simple. So just select this face and just draw just go for convert entities and just use a line. Just draw a line here. So it's better if you tend to fail while you do something, just change the strategy and just try to do something else instead of just wasting time doing the same thing. I just go for, I'll just unhide these two so that we'll have a better vision over here, better clarity over here. I'll just hide this. Okay, now select this sketch as a tool and go for trim surface, select this face and just click on tick mark. It's as simple as that. Again, you can do the same thing, because this time this got removed but this is still there. So I'll just again go for, just again select that sketch and go for trim surface, select this face here and go for tick mark. Now that face is removed as well. Now what you can do is, oops, how did this get removed? So that's not what is desired. Yeah, now it's there. So let's just try it once again. So that will be, select the sketch, go for trim surface. Oops, the complete thing is getting removed, right? That's a problem now. That's a problem. So in this case, we'll just use another strategy. Just go for edit sketch, and what we would do is just Control 8 and we'll just select this line and give an offset in reverse direction, not the complete one, only this line. Go for offset, okay, reverse, and just give 0.1 tick mark. What we can do is just select all of these lines, all of these outer lines, and you can give a fork construction, tick mark, exit sketch. Now if you see this once again, and just try to select that sketch once again and give trim surface and select this surface. Now only that surface will be removed. Now we have that surface removed. Again select that sketch and go for trim surface, and again select the surface and click on tick mark, and there is a hollow there, right? Good. Now you can unhide the surfaces that was create a couple of just unhide this, and everything else is done here. And that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed. This was a little tricky, and in the end we had to do a couple of adjustments so that the software does what we want to do. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.